If you want to search by image on Realme 14T, then we can do this by using circle to search feature. First, we can make sure that circle to search is enabled, so we can jump to settings, scroll all the way down and go to system and update. Over here, go to system navigation, and then you can scroll down in order to find circle to search and make sure that it is enabled. After that, we can pretty much use anything. So let's say I'm gonna open the Google app in order to find some images, and then we can activate circle to search by, for example, pressing and holding the navigation handlebar or the home button if you use buttons for navigation instead. So if you press and hold for like a second or two, then you should be able to draw a circle around the subject that you want to search for in Google, pretty much. You can of course also just tap on the object, on the photo for example, and of course it doesn't have to be circle at all, so you can just draw a rectangle if you prefer to, and you will still get results. Once you unfold results, you can also go to visual matches, and you can also try to get information about this image, if possible, of course. And there we go. You can use it everywhere. You can, for example, open gallery with your photo and then use circle to search in order to get results of your photo, etc. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.